Are you ready for some outfit inspiration? Stay tuned. Okay, ladies, I don't know why it's taking me so long to figure this segment out, but so many of you really want outfit inspiration and you love the outfit inspiration that I share. And yes, it's all my own content. It's not just snagging photos from Pinterest or, random blogs or whatnot. So, but I do have a blog and we post outfits over there regularly. So I thought, hello, let's come over and share those daily outfits with you over here on YouTube. And then we can link all of the links down below because I know some of you come over and love to shop. Some of you come over for inspiration. So I'm really hoping that you're going to like this new segment. We're loosely titling it What to Wear Lately, although you can help me name this segment. So leave a comment down below of what you think would be a good title for this video. And we'll release these like twice a month, so stay tuned. Also, I just wanted to give a little shout out. We have a podcast now called Message from Mom, and I filmed that with two of my daughters-in-law, Chelsea and Kelly. And so in conjunction with that, we also have a series called Style at Every Age. Chelsea's 34, Kelly's 47, and I'm 65. And we all have daughters and we all have granddaughters, daughters-in-law. So it's all about style at every age. And every week when we release the podcast, we also have this reel. You can follow us on Instagram. I'll have everything for Message from Mom linked down below. But we take one item, I believe last week was like J. Crew shorts. And so each of us style it our way. So come along and join us for that, but I'll also float those photos down below too and talk about those outfits briefly. But are you ready to get started with outfit number one? So this is a very fun dress. I love dresses come summer. It's just, they're one and done. They're one of the easiest things to wear. And I'm always looking to add more dresses into my wardrobe when the weather is hotter. And this dress is just adorable. It's a jersey dress. It's a faux tie waist. So you have a little tie at the side. Love the modern take of the gingham. I mean, gingham is such a classic pattern, such a happy pattern. And really, plaid is to fall what gingham is to spring. So gingham is just everywhere come spring. And I'll actually, if you want to read the blog post, I shared a lot of different gingham outfits, from pajamas. I love gingham pajamas, to maybe a gingham robe, to a gingham, it was a beautiful cashmere wrap from J. McLaughlin. So if you're interested in that, I will link the blog post down below. But I just wore this beautiful gingham wrap dress, faux wrap dress, with a white twill blazer, and this one is from J. McLaughlin. It's a very simple blazer. It's not lined, but beautifully finished on the inside. I've shared it on other videos, but honestly, a white blazer is on style repeat all season long, and it looks beautiful with this dress. You can drape it over the dress, over your shoulders for just a very casual, elevated look. You can also just wear it as a blazer. And if the temps get a little bit too hot, then you can slip the blazer off. I just love a blazer as that third layer. And I'm wearing acrylic sandals. So acrylic sandals are really a great option when it comes to footwear, because they just really disappear on your feet. And it's like a neutral. These actually have a cork heel. I also have one that has a suede heel. And then I have the very high heels that are a dupe of I believe it's Jimmy Choo. So all in all, just a really simple outfit, perfect. I mean, as I said, put the blazer on, dresses it up a little bit if you have a special occasion, if you have maybe a bridal shower to go to or a baby shower, perfect for that. And then just a little white handbag, leather handbag. And it's just a very simple style, very classic style. It's a kind of a it's a half moon shape, but it's also a mini hobo bag, if you will. And I always get a lot of questions about jewelry. And when I'm wearing timeless pieces, if I'm not wearing costume jewelry, one of my go-to brands is Lagos. And I have a pair of hoop earrings from Lagos paired with this outfit. And then I believe I am wearing, I could be wrong, but I think I'm wearing I don't have my photos. I should pull my photos up, but I believe I'm wearing the David Yurman necklace. But always lots of questions about my jewelry. So my timeless jewelry many times is David Yurman, Lagos. They both have very similar vibes. They're modern, but yet very classic and timeless. So that is outfit number one. And then outfit number two is this adorable, absolutely adorable green cropped jacket. And I love the color green, especially spring and summer. It's a very soothing color. It reminds us of nature. It's harmonious, although it can be associated with some negative connotations as well. Green with envy, or if you're sick, you're green in the gills. And some of our most famous superhero villains were, I think, the Green Goblin, a Joker, Poison Ivy. So it can have some negative connotations. But me personally, I love green. As I said, very, very soothing. And honestly, one of my favorite things to do in the spring and summer is walk across my green grass with my bare feet. I mean, nothing is more soothing than that. But back to the outfit. So this adorable crop jacket, and crop jackets are very on trend this year. And I really like this shade of green. And I paired it with an embroidered top, and it's long, so you don't have to tuck it in. For those ladies that really don't like to do the tuck, this is a perfect blouse for you. Love the simple embroidery. I think it says it's white on the website, but it really is ivory. So I just chose a very simple pair of ivory slacks to wear with the outfit. And then I chose suede sandals to go with this outfit. And there again, it's in a neutral color because you just really don't want to bring any attention, or at least I didn't with this outfit. I just wanted my footwear to disappear. When that's the case, when I don't want the shoes to be the star of the show, I always pick a neutral. And I love this. This is an older pair of suede sandals from Vince. I'll link something similar down below. And there again, how cute is this canvas handbag? And this is going to be, I mean, I'll say certain phrases over and over again, but on style repeat, because when I find a handbag or a pair of shoes, and I usually pick one or two every season, and then I just wear them all the time. And this canvas handbag is very classic, a very classic shape, and honestly, then we'll go with everything. So for my next outfit, so Memorial Day is coming up. So those of you that live in the U.S., so we have, I call them the patriotic holidays. I'm not the only one that calls them that, but we have the patriotic holidays coming up. So Memorial Day, which kicks off summer, and then we have 4th of July in the middle of summer, and then we wind things up with Labor Day. So I like to have things on. I like to be a little bit patriotic, and I like to be a little whimsical at times as well. So if I'm thinking of Memorial Day outfits, I love a graphic tee. And I have a gazillion in my drawer, but I'm still drawn to flag tees. So I thought this flag tee was absolutely adorable. And it is paired with a pair of white shorts. And then I just have a red and blue web belt that go with that. Very simple, just like that. Get a pair of white sneakers, which I'm sharing. But if you wanted, again, to elevate the outfit, then go ahead and grab a blazer. And there again, so I picked out the J. McLaughlin white twill blazer. It has little patch pockets too. Just gives it a little bit of a casual chic look, a little bit elevated. And this outfit is good for Memorial Day, 4th of July, and Labor Day. And some other tips for Memorial Day outfits. If you don't really want to, have the flag tee, you could just dress in red, white, and blue, or, just red and white or blue and white, and maybe just a cute little accent. I also like little brooches this time of year, so you could get maybe a little flag brooch or, something fun like that. But I just really am a sucker for those patriotic holidays, and I really do like to, just give just a little gesture, just a nod to the event and the occasion. So Memorial Day outfits, super cute, super fun. And I am so excited that summer is just right around the corner. And for this next outfit, if you're headed to the beach, and I actually am, I'm headed to Tybee. We have a beach house in Tybee, which is located right next to Savannah, Georgia. Just one of my happy places. So if you are planning any kind of vacation, and especially a beach vacation, you for sure want to have a maxi dress. I can't think of anything that has more of a vacay vibe than a maxi dress. And blues and greens are so big this year, so the pattern of this dress actually just drew me in. It's a halter dress. I get a lot of questions about what bra to wear when I'm wearing a halter top or dress, and hands down, it is Wacoal red carpet bra. I'm telling you, it stays in place. It does what it's supposed to do, and honestly, it is my very favorite, and that's what I wore with this dress. I chose a pair of metallic sandals because metallics, again, like an acrylic shoe or a neutral shoe, really it just acts as a neutral. And so many times when I'm in doubt with footwear, I really can't quite get the right vibe, I always grab a metallic and it always works. And these sandals actually, so these are from Walmart, so I shared those when I had the budget-friendly brand video. They're very affordable, actually very comfortable, and they looked absolutely adorable with this beautiful maxi dress. So think about maxi dresses. Especially if you're going on vacation, and especially if you're going to the beach, because it's just absolutely perfect. And I will just finish up this series with the style at every age photo. And so we actually shared the J. Crew shorts. We each had different shorts. So Chelsea had the Chino shorts, and hers were in a vibrant pink. I really like that color. And then she had it's an older sweater, it's Ralph Lauren, it's stripes. And so she paired her shorts with that, and then she put on a little heel. And she was very proud of herself because many of you probably don't know, she actually fractured her ankle like 3 months before her wedding. She was married on New Year's Eve. So she was in a boot for 3 months, just got out of the boot just like 2 weeks before she got married. And she's still been a little bit, cautious about putting heels or kitten heels on, anything like that. So this is her first foray into that. She did a great job. So that's Chelsea's outfit. And Chelsea's 34, and she's married to my son, Andrew, my middle son. And Kelly is next, and she's 47, and she's married to my oldest, Alex. And Kelly chose a darling pair of polka dot and neutrals. So it's a tan and a black polka dot. Love them. These are the linen shorts, I believe, and a drawstring. You can just put these on style repeat all summer long when the temps are uber hot. And then she just picked out a very simple black tee, a boat neck black tee to go with that. And my outfit, so I chose red. I love red. It's a great color. It looks great on everyone. And yes, there is a shade for you, because all of the colors go from warm to cool. So if you're on the warm side, you're going to choose those reds that are going to favor that. And if you're on the cool side like me, then you're going to choose those reds. But if you don't want to put red against your face, then pick a pair of pants or shorts, as I did. And then I love these beautiful tunic tops that have just the embroidery around the edge, and they're very popular. This is a very simple one. It's a plain one, long sleeves for those of you who don't like to show their arms, and just very simple red embroidery stitched all the way around. Okay, ladies, I hope you like this video. Super easy, super fun, very fast. Of course, we have everything linked down below in the description box if you want to shop the outfits, if you just like it for inspiration. I hope you found some. Let me know what we should title this segment down below, and I look forward to hearing your comments. Of course, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.